Here's an SAT problem number 25. It says three integers. So I have integers A, B, and C. They have a sum of 7 and a product of 0. Now that's important. If they have a product of 0, that means one of them has to be 0. Because the only way you can multiply three numbers together and get 0 is one of them has to be 0. If the difference of the greatest number and the least is 11, so if I subtract the biggest minus the smallest, I get 11. Which of these is the least of these numbers? It's one of these guys. Well, let's think about what we have here. Three integers have a sum of 7. So you have A, B, and C. Now let's just assume C is the guy that's in the middle. We're just going to give C the 0 value. Well, that's going to tell me that the two numbers that we have left, A plus B, the sum of them is 7. It says here that we'll assume A is the largest, B is the smallest. They add up to 7, and C's value will just say, okay, he's 0. He's in the middle of these guys. These are the biggest, he's the middle. Now also know that if A is the largest, and I subtract the smallest, the difference between them is 11 between A and B. Well, you have two unknowns and two equations. You should recognize this. All I'm going to do is if I simply add them together, I'm going to get 2A equals that, positive B negative B goes away, equals 18. It tells me A, the largest digit, is 9. So I got an integer here of 9. I got an integer of 0. So we have 9 and 0. And then the other guy, I could plug 9 back in here. That means B is negative 2. So the least of these numbers is choice D, negative 2. There's an SAT problem for you.